Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all super well and keeping safe in lockdown. I thought I would inspire you guys today. If you're a little bit bored and you want to have a little sit down and play around with makeup and maybe even play around with your hair, I thought I'd film 10 ideas on how you can style your hair when you have bangs, because I have bangs, guys. I have a fringe. I've not had a fringe in so long, and I randomly cut it in a few weeks ago. I will insert the TikTok video that I filmed just in case you missed it. And yeah, I've got bangs and I'm actually really loving them, and I love the fact that they're neon green. It's so cool. I love it. The back was meant to be grey, but it's kind of gone like a bluey colour now. I'll pop a link below to my previous hair dye video in case you missed that. And I actually mentioned in there that I did think that this grey colour was going to fade to blue, and also to keep up to date with my videos, because obviously you'd see my hair fade, and yeah, it's faded quite a lot, and yeah, I mean, it's gone blue, but it still looks cute. So yeah, 10 ideas on how you can style bangs. I'm gonna speed this up, I'm gonna put it to some nice music, so sit back, enjoy, maybe even pause the video and try a couple of the looks as you watch it. And yeah, I really hope you enjoy this and it brightens up your day. By the way, some of these are super simple, or you might need a couple of accessories for them. So I'll pop links below to some accessories. Some of them here, I've had them for quite a while, but I'll pop links below to similar ones or some really cute ones online if you want to buy some. So yeah, let's go.
We've had this conversation and you seem to agree with me, but when there's complications, you withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem, you become like a wall, and every time I trip, it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down, you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you?
We never left the ground, but we need to take some weight off our shoulders. The fight isn't over. Can you let me be tonight? will need some time alone, not forever, but when we're together, it feels like my spark's been left in the dark sometimes. Cause when I'm with you, it's just like an airwave, better than a band-aid. This could be love, not sure, but I'm probably right. When you're around, I can say what I wanna say. So hard to concentrate. This is all that I need and more. Perfectly safe and sure. I'll be with you always. I will stay with my common sense. Irresistible friend. Will you be with me always? Stay up all night. We finally took some weight off our shoulders, so this fight is over. Can you stay with me tonight? I don't wanna be alone, and I need you here if you want to. I know my spark's been left in the dark sometimes, but when I'm with you, it's just like an airwave, better than a band-aid. This could be love, not sure, but I'm probably right. When you're around, I can say what I wanna say. So hard to concentrate. Guess it's all that I need and more. Perfectly safe and sure. I'll be with you always. I will stay with my common sense. Irresistible friend. Will you be with me always?
To rely on. Your love ain't free, it's killing me. I want it to end all. Cause I've been trying, I've been waiting for so long. I'm waiting. It's hard to do and it hurts to say, but if you love something, let it go. Tomorrow comes, it's another day. So if you love something, let it go. If you love something, let it go. If you love something, let it go. It's hard to do and it hurts to say, but if you love something, let it go. Tomorrow comes, it's another day. So if you love something, let it go. No, I don't mind you asking why I let you go. It's just way too much for my heartbeat, so I'm laying low. Yes, I could rethink what I'm thinking if I had control, but I don't, so don't you be asking why I love you so. Your love ain't free, it's killing me. I want it to end all. Cause I've been trying, I've been waiting for so long. I'm waiting. It's hard to do and it hurts to say.
So guys, that was it. They were my 10 super simple and easy hairstyle ideas for bangs. I mean, to be fair, they'd probably all look cute. I mean, actually, they would all look cute with anyone without a fringe, but I just wanted to show you guys with a fringe that you can still do so many hairstyles and they all look super cute. Just in case you were a bit worried or you've just recently cut fringe in and you're just not really sure how to wear your hair, give these styles a go and I guarantee you will love them. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please comment below and let me know which one your favourite look was. I would love to know. I feel like mine was definitely the look with these like 90s neon little crocodile clips. Loved that look. This one's cute though, little bubble braids. I love that, little bubble bits. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Stay safe, and yeah, I really, really hope that this passes soon, and I hope you're all well and all of your families are safe, and yeah, see you guys in another video very, very soon. Peace out.